Imagine this for a moment. You wake up, and your car has changed. Overnight, while you were dreaming of conquering the Stelvio Pass, it downloaded an update, just like your phone. Suddenly, it's a bit quicker off the line, the battery lasts longer, and it has a new feature you didn't even know you wanted. This isn't some far-flung science fiction fantasy from a dusty old film. This is happening right now. The very idea of what a car is, what it does, and how we interact with it, is being completely rewritten. The humble automobile, our trusted companion for over a century, is undergoing its biggest transformation yet. It's brilliant. The changes are staggering, truly. We're talking about cars that can see a parking spot, measure it up with lasers and sensors, and then neatly tuck themselves into it without you even touching the wheel. Perfect for those tight city spaces. And it gets better. They're starting to communicate with each other, car to car. Imagine your car knowing about a patch of black ice 5 miles down the road because another car that just went over it sent out a warning. It's a digital grapevine for the open road, a collective intelligence that makes every journey safer and smarter. We are at the very beginning of a new automotive age. Right, let's talk about the engine, or rather, the lack of one. The electric vehicle, or EV, has gone from a quirky science project to the headline act of the automotive world. And it's all down to one thing: the battery. For years, the knock on electric cars was range anxiety, that nagging fear you'd run out of juice miles from anywhere. But battery technology is advancing at a blistering pace. We're seeing batteries that are more powerful, they charge faster, and they last longer than ever before. It's like going from an old brick phone that died in an hour to a modern smartphone that lasts all day. The secret sauce is in the chemistry and the engineering. Scientists are constantly experimenting with new materials to pack more energy into smaller, lighter packages. This means cars can go further on a single charge, making them genuinely practical for long journeys. Chinese manufacturer BYD, for instance, has been a game changer with its Blade battery. It's not only safer and less prone to catching fire, but its unique design also allows for more cells to be packed into the same space. Charging is the other side of the coin, and that's getting a massive upgrade too. Gone are the days of waiting overnight for a full charge. We now have DC fast charging stations that can pump an incredible amount of energy into a battery in the time it takes to grab a coffee or a sandwich. Imagine adding 200 miles of range in just 15 or 20 minutes. That completely changes the game for road trips. Now for the really mind-bending bit, cars that can drive themselves. This isn't just cruise control on steroids, this is a whole new level of intelligence on wheels. The car is no longer just a hunk of metal following your commands. It's becoming a co-pilot, it's becoming a chauffeur, it's becoming a guardian angel. At the heart of this revolution is artificial intelligence, or AI. The car is equipped with a suite of sensors, cameras, radar, LiDAR, like radar but with lasers. These sensors act as its eyes and ears, building a 360-degree real-time map of the world. This AI brain processes an immense amount of data every single second. It identifies other cars, pedestrians, cyclists, road signs, lane markings. It doesn't just see them, it understands them. It predicts what that cyclist might do next. It anticipates the car in front braking suddenly. This is where the magic happens. The AI learns from every mile driven by the entire fleet, every tricky situation, every near miss. Those events are uploaded to the cloud and shared. It's collective learning on a global scale. It's the biggest leap in automotive safety since the seatbelt. So, we've got electric power and an AI brain. What's next? Giving the car a voice. This is made possible by the Internet of Things, IoT, and the rollout of super-fast 5G mobile networks. Your car is becoming another smart device like your phone, like your watch, but with wheels and a much bigger battery. It's a node in a massive, interconnected digital ecosystem. The impact of this constant connectivity is, honestly, huge. Your car can receive real-time traffic data from other cars ahead of you. It can get warnings about accidents, warnings about road closures, warnings about bad weather, long before you see them yourself. Imagine you're driving in Ethiopia on the road from Addis to Awassa, and a car 2 kilometers ahead hits a massive pothole. It could automatically send a warning to your car, allowing your navigation to suggest a smoother route or your suspension to prepare for the bump. It's proactive, not reactive. This connectivity also extends beyond just other cars. Vehicles can communicate with the infrastructure itself, V2I or vehicle to infrastructure. Traffic lights could tell your car how long until they turn green. Safety has always been a top priority in car design, but the new wave of technology is taking it to a whole new dimension. We're moving beyond just surviving a crash with airbags and crumple zones. We're moving into an era of accident avoidance, where the car actively works to prevent the crash from ever happening in the first place. These advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, act like a guardian angel, constantly watching out for you. They use the same cameras, radar and sensors that enable self-driving, but focus squarely on keeping you out of trouble. One of the most brilliant features is automatic emergency braking with collision detection. The car is always scanning the road ahead. If it detects that you're approaching another vehicle or an obstacle too quickly and you haven't started braking, it will first give you a warning, a beep or a flash on the dashboard. If you still don't react, it will slam on the brakes for you, often with more force and speed than a human could manage. This single feature has been proven to dramatically reduce rear-end collisions. Then there's lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring. How many times have you seen someone drift out of their lane because they were distracted for a split second? Lane keeping assist uses a camera to watch the lane markings and will gently nudge the steering to keep you centered. Blind spot monitoring uses radar sensors to watch the areas you can't see in your mirrors. If you try to change lanes while another car is hiding there, it will flash a light. Japanese manufacturers like Toyota have been leaders in democratizing this technology. Their Toyota Safety Sense package. So, what does all this high-tech wizardry, electric power AI brains, constant connectivity, mean for a continent like Africa and a country like Ethiopia? It means a chance to leapfrog. A chance to skip over the century of infrastructure built around the internal combustion engine, embrace a cleaner, safer, more efficient future of transport. The potential is absolutely immense. Think about the urban centers like Addis Ababa. Traffic congestion, air quality are major challenges. A widespread shift to electric vehicles would be transformative, reducing noise, eliminating tailpipe emissions overnight. The rugged and diverse terrain of Africa also presents a unique opportunity for these new technologies. Self-driving driver assist could be invaluable on long, challenging roads. An AI that never gets tired, can see in the dark, could make nighttime haulage safer and more efficient. Furthermore, the rise of electric vehicles powered by renewable energy is a perfect fit for a continent blessed with abundant sunshine. Imagine a network of solar-powered charging stations across Ethiopia, providing clean, locally produced energy for transport.